Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Northrop Grumman CEO says company added 2 million square feet of manufacturing space. American Samachar global defense demand grows. Northrop Grumman is continuing to invest in technology, workforce and manufacturing capacity as demand for its defense capabilities grows, Chief Executive Officer Kathy Warden said. In a social media statement, she said the company is preparing to meet current and future national security needs. Northrop Grumman continues to invest in the technology, talent and manufacturing capacity required to meet our nation's most demanding national security needs, to meet this moment today and for the future of defense, Warden said. Her comments place industrial capacity and advanced technology at the center of the company's defense strategy. Warden linked the message to America's 250th anniversary and the role of U.S. innovation. She cited Northrop Grumman capabilities including the James Webb Space Telescope, microelectronics, advanced weapons and flying wing technology. Our responsibility remains clear: deliver the technological advantages America's warfighters need to defend our nation, Warden said. The statement reflects the company's focus on supporting U.S. military customers with advanced systems and production capacity. Warden said global demand for Northrop Grumman capabilities remains strong. She said the company is investing in advanced factories, accelerating next-generation solutions and working closely with customers to deliver faster and at larger scale. In just the past 2 years alone, we've added 2 million square feet of manufacturing space and 20 facilities with ground broken on several more, Warden said. The expansion highlights the company's push to increase production infrastructure as defense demand rises. Warden said she remains confident in Northrop Grumman's momentum and its workforce. She said the team can continue providing capabilities with the urgency, precision and reliability customers depend on. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.